rational equation, we want to add and subtract if we need to, so that we get one fraction by itself, right? Just one fraction on each side of the equation. So in these examples that I have, this is true, right? There's a fraction here and a fraction here. This is a fraction, this is a fraction. So they're already in the right form. So I don't need to do step one for these, but we'll see an example in a little bit where I might need to do that. Step two, I'm going to cross multiply and simplify. Step three, I need to solve the resulting equation, which usually has an x squared in it, so I might have to factor. Not all the time, but lots of times we're going to have to factor. And then we want to go back and check the solutions, especially making sure we're not dividing by 0.
What time is it?
9:29. Okay.
I don't care about the video.
No, it's fine, right? I'm supposed to be live streaming this class anyway, right?
Is this for the freshmen?
Like as close.
Is this for the freshmen?
This is us. You don't recognize this stuff?
I'm not paying attention. I am the best camera person. Don't even do me like that, Chloe.
Great job.
Don't even do me like that,
I
Chloe.
don't even think you can see your writing on the screen.
You can. Don't even judge. I can see it right now. See, it says, example 1, solve 1 over x equals 1 over 3x plus 1.
Right, so for this example, I'm going to have to do step 1 because this side of my equation is not just one big fraction, right? It's a fraction plus the number 1, so I need to fix that. So the first step is to add those two numbers, and to add fractions we need a common denominator, which is 3x. So the number 1 becomes 3x divided by 3x. Any number that's in the numerator and the denominator, if it's the same number, right, that is 1. 2 over 2 is 1. 4 over 4 is 1. 3x over 3x is 1. And now that my denominators match, I can add the fractions. So we add the numerator and keep the denominator. That's how we add fractions. And now I've got one big fraction here and one fraction here, and I'm going to cross multiply. So I get 3x is equal to x times 1 plus 3x. And I'm going to simplify. So I'm going to use my distributive rule to get rid of the parentheses. I'm going to put everything, right, if I'm going to have to factor it, I want a 0 over here, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So just rewriting this. Okay, so I've got a polynomial set equal to 0. We're going to factor this polynomial. I can pull an x out, and I'm left with 3x minus 2 equal to 0. I set all of the factors equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 3x minus 2, not x, 0, sorry. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, so 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2/3. So I have two possible solutions, but I need to go back and make sure they're both valid because I cannot divide by 0. And if x is equal to 0, I am dividing by 0, so this is not allowed.
Then the universe ends.
Yes, we divide by 0, we create a black hole, the entire universe is destroyed, so we are not going to divide by 0. I love the fact that Dalton does not recognize anything that we're doing so far, and yet he did remember that dividing by 0 ends the universe. So,
I may fail the test, but at least I know that.
yes, I know. See, that's I feel much safer in
Yeah.
my life.
There, yeah. You.
All right.
You should.
Let's take a break.